Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you're new, you're most welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for always supporting me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make soft, layered chapatis step by step. These chapatis come out very soft on the inside, slightly crispy on the outside, and full of beautiful layers. This is one of those simple recipes that everyone loves, and once you learn it, you'll never go back. For this recipe, you will need all-purpose flour or wheat flour, warm water, a pinch of salt, and some cooking oil. Very simple ingredients, but trust me, the results are amazing. In a large bowl, add your flour and a pinch of salt, then mix it well so the salt is evenly distributed. Now, start adding warm water little by little as you mix using your hands. Don't rush this step, just keep adding water slowly as you bring the dough together. Once everything comes together, start kneading the dough. Knead it well using your hands, pressing and folding until it becomes soft and smooth. This process is very important because it determines how soft your chapatis will be. You want a dough that is soft, not too hard and not too sticky, just nice and elastic. Now add a little oil to the dough and continue kneading for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps make the dough even softer and easier to work with. After that, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Resting the dough is very important because it relaxes the gluten and makes rolling much easier, and your chapatis will be softer. After the dough has rested, you'll notice it feels softer and smoother. Now, divide it into small, equal balls depending on the size of chapatis you want. Roll each piece between your palms to make smooth balls. Take one dough ball, dust it lightly with flour, and place it on your working surface. Use a rolling pin to roll it into a flat circle. Once you have your circle, spread a little oil on top, then fold it to create layers. You can fold it into a spiral or even a triangle, whichever you prefer. After folding, roll it again gently into a round shape. Be gentle while rolling so you don't lose the layers. The layers are what make the chapati soft and flaky, so take your time here. Now, place your pan on medium heat and let it heat up well. Once hot, place your rolled chapati onto the pan. Let it cook for a few seconds until you start seeing bubbles forming on the surface. Flip it to the other side, then apply a little oil. Flip it again and apply a little oil on the other side as well. Press it gently using a spoon or cloth so it cooks evenly. You'll start to see beautiful golden brown spots forming, and that's exactly what you want. Cook until both sides are nicely golden brown, slightly crispy on the outside but still soft inside. Be careful not to overcook it so it doesn't become too hard. Once ready, remove it from the pan and place it in a container. Cover it to keep it warm and soft as you cook the rest. Repeat the same process for all your dough balls. As you continue, you'll notice your chapatis getting better and better. Don't worry if the first one is not perfect, that's completely normal. And there you have it, soft, delicious homemade chapatis that you can enjoy with stew, vegetables, or even tea. They're so versatile and always satisfying. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.